In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Roblox account location. So if you have moved to a different location or country and to wish your account to reflect the same, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And once you are on your Roblox homepage, go ahead and just change this from home to support. So I'll go ahead and edit just like that and then enter. Now this will take you to this contact form. So here, go ahead and enter your contact information, and under issue detail, head to device. Go ahead and choose the type of device you're using. So if you are on PC, go ahead and choose PC. Under type of help category, click on this and then scroll down and choose how to. Then head to subcategory. Here, choose how to change my location. Go ahead and describing that you have moved to a different country and mention the name of the country, and go ahead and click on continue to submit your request. And within no time, Roblox will go ahead and contact you or change your location to your current location where you are. So that's how you can change your location in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.